Welcome to this tutorial on how to use QuickBooks Essentials, an accounting software designed for small businesses. To get started, first sign in to your QuickBooks account and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your company's financial situation, including income, expenses, and cash flow. The first step is to set up your company file by adding your business name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts used to track your business's financial transactions. QuickBooks Essentials provides a default chart of accounts, but you can customize it to suit your business needs. Next, you need to set up your customers and vendors. To do this, go to the Customers and Vendors menu and click on New Customer or New Vendor. Enter the customer or vendor's name, address, and contact information. You can also add additional details such as payment terms and credit limits. To track your business's financial transactions, you need to create invoices, bills, and payments. To create an invoice, go to the Invoices menu and click on New Invoice. Enter the customer's name, invoice date, and payment terms. You can also add items and services to the invoice, along with their prices and quantities. To manage your cash flow, you need to track your bills and payments. To create a bill, go to the Bills menu and click on New Bill. Enter the vendor's name, bill date, and payment terms. You can also add items and services to the bill, along with their prices and quantities. QuickBooks Essentials also provides tools to help you manage your payroll and taxes. To set up payroll, go to the Payroll menu and click on New Payroll. Enter your employee's name, social security number, and pay rate. You can also set up tax deductions and benefits. To get the most out of QuickBooks Essentials, it is essential to regularly reconcile your accounts and review your financial reports. Reconciling your accounts ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Financial reports provide a snapshot of your business's financial situation, including income statements and balance sheets. By following these steps and using the tools provided by QuickBooks Essentials, you can efficiently manage your business's financial transactions and make informed decisions to drive growth and profitability. Remember to always keep your financial records up to date and accurate, and to seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of using QuickBooks Essentials.